Namaste everyone. Kindly come up on your mats. Sit comfortably, keeping your back and neck straight, and very gently close your eyes. Start observing your breath. Observe the natural flow of your breathing. Make sure that your body is properly aligned. Keep the back and neck straight. Face, neck and shoulders relaxed. And slowly begin to deepen your breathing. We'll be chanting Om 3 times, followed by 3 Shantis. Inhale deeply for Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Just observe the vibrations. Join your palms together and rub your palms together. Keep them on your eyes. Very slowly, while blinking and looking at your palms, begin to open up your eyes. Start coming back with a smile. And namaste to everyone. We welcome you at Himalayan Yoga Association. I am Yogini Soumya and I will be conducting your session today. So today we are talking about a very well known of practice called Rubber Neti, right? And you guys must have seen this before also. So let me just show you the Rubber Neti, right? So this is your for your practice you use something like this. So this is made out of rubber, right? It's this long thread kind of, we also call it a catheter, right? And at one end it is more open, right? It is broader, and the other end, as you can see, it's quite narrow, so it easily passes through your nostrils, right? So before I tell you more about the practice, you have to take care that your nails are well cut. Okay, so don't practice this with long nails. Okay, why? Because when you pull out the this catheter from your mouth. You insert it through your nose and pull it out through your mouth. So if your nails are long, it's going to hurt your throat. Okay, you're going to cause injury to yourself. Okay, this practice is done early in the morning, right? Rubber Neti practice. So this practice is done after the practice of Jal Neti. So you guys know about Jal Neti. It's done with this pot, right? You fill in lukewarm water and add salt to it and cleanse your nostrils first. Okay, so first step for Rubber Neti practice is actually the practice of Jal Neti. Okay, after you have done Jal Neti, you again check which nostril is dominant. All right, so you check which one of the two nostrils they are dominant. Then you hold this catheter like this, okay, and the narrow side that I told you about, you begin to insert that in the nostril which is dominant. Okay, so you begin to insert this inside your nose, right? And as you insert this in, take a deep breath in. Okay, so that this naturally finds the pathway. Okay, so when you take a deep breath in, it's going to naturally find that pathway through which the air passes. Okay, and then eventually when you push this in, right, it will come out at the back side of your mouth. Okay, so when it comes out through the back side of your mouth, you take the first two fingers and you insert them inside your mouth. Okay, and when you do so, you catch hold of this catheter, okay, like this from inside. Okay, and then you pull it out through the mouth. Okay, so the rest of this length it covers, and all of the neti is out through your mouth. Okay, then you repeat this same cycle through the other side. All right, so you sit in Kagasana preferably. Okay, or you can do this practice while standing also. Okay, you keep your chin a little bit up, right? Don't put your chin down, you keep the chin up, you hold it like this, and then you begin to insert it in your nose. Okay, so make sure that your hand position is correct when you are inserting the catheter in, and when it there you will feel a little bit of touch of this catheter at the back side of your throat. When you do so, then gently place put your first two fingers inside your mouth and open up your mouth and grab this catheter and pull it out. So this is the practice of Rubber Neti. It is always done in the morning, okay, when you are empty stomach, right? Or if you plan to do both Jal Neti and Rubber Neti, you can do them in the evening as well. Just make sure you are empty stomach. So after 3 to 4 hours of your meal, you go for these practices. And once you do the Sutra Neti, you again do Jal Neti. Okay, so first we do Jal Neti, then we do Rubber Neti, and then again we do the practice of Jal Neti, so that all the cleansing that you have done through the practice of Rubber Neti, all that mucus is one more time removed. Okay, so otherwise it will remain inside. So you do the practice of Jal Neti one more time in order to complete the entire process, and then you go into the proper exhalation process of Jal Neti. So first do Jal Neti, don't exhale completely at that point of time, all the exhalation practices you do. Quickly do Rubber Neti through both the nostrils, and then again do Jal Neti, and then go for the final exhalation process, right? So this practice, of course, make sure that nobody with any severe kind of illness goes for this practice, right? And especially people who have like major septum deviation, they find it harder to do, but eventually you will see as they practice that deviation also, it also gets a little bit better. So this is a great practice. This practice soothes the nervous system, it relieves your nervous system, and it expels out any excessive mucus from your nose. So this is basically a way of cleaning the nose and its passages, right? So it's detoxifying the body, and this can be practiced daily by everyone, right? So on a mental level also, it cleanses the mind, right, and it soothes the mind. So a lot of people who face any kind of mental disorders, this is a great practice. It also Jal Neti and Rubber Neti both are said to improve the eyesight, the ear health, right? Apart from just the nose, it also helps other body parts as well. Emotionally also, it soothes a person and prepares the person for coming into spiritual practices. So guys, whenever you practice, take good precaution and always try to practice in the presence of some competent teacher, so that if you get stuck somewhere, you can always have the help of a person around you. So let's end today's session then. Keep your back and neck straight. Gently close your eyes. We'll chant Om one time, followed by 3 Shantis. Inhale deeply for Om. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your palms together and rub your palms together. Keep them on your eyes. Very slowly, while blinking and looking at your palms, begin to open up your eyes, start coming back with a smile. And namaste to everyone. Thank you so much.